This is what it looks like. And inside the dust bag. Hello everybody, it's me, lilymae, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. Some of you may or may not know that recently I turned 17. I turned 17 on the 21st of April, although everyone on TikTok seems to think I'm 14. But I'm not, I'm 17, I'm gonna be an adult next year. Yeah, kinda can't believe that, to be honest. It feels so weird to be 17, like I don't think I'm supposed to be 17. But apparently that's what my birth certificate says, so here we are. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you some of the things that I was very, very lucky to receive from my friends and my family for my birthday. I do wanna make a quick disclaimer that every single YouTuber makes when they do this video. I'm not trying to brag or boast in any way at all. I'm so freaking grateful for everything I got. I am surrounded by the most amazing, thoughtful people. They really didn't have to get me a thing. Like 17 it's not a big deal. They definitely spoiled me and treated me very good. I literally can't freaking believe it, to be honest. A lot of you guys did ask me on Instagram to do this video, so I thought, why not? I do one most years anyway. Obviously, we're in quarantine and we're in lockdown, so we're not supposed to be seeing our family and our friends and everything. Totally respect that, and I totally agree with that. Like, I hate the fact that people aren't listening and still like going out and hanging out with their friends and stuff. I'm gonna be uploading a birthday vlog soon, so you will see that a few of my family members and 2 of my friends did come to see me. We still distanced from each other. The only people that sort of went out their way to come and see me were my 2 friends. All of my family members, they pretty much live in walking distance anyway, so they could have just been on their daily walk. They didn't stay for too long. They literally just dropped off like a little gift for me at my door, and we spoke for a bit. We was 2 meters apart, more than that. I just wanted to make that clear because I was kind of worried about that, especially because it's in my vlog and everything, but I wasn't going to hide the fact that people did come to see me. Hope that doesn't offend anyone or upset anyone. I'm really sorry. With all of that said, I better stop rambling and let's actually get into the video. First of all, I'm going to show you what my friend Alex came and gave me. If you watch my channel, you will know that I'm slightly a little bit obsessed with Greggs. I do love a good old Greggs sausage roll, let me tell you. Some of you may have already seen these, but there was these earrings that went kind of viral on TikTok. This girl on TikTok like handmade her own earrings. She made some Greggs ones and Alex got me them. They came in this cute little yellow lemony kind of bag. I think these are so sick. As you can see, it's literally like a little sausage roll coming out of a little Greggs packet. They are literally so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. Greggs sponsorship come through. I'd be a very good ambassador for you. These are so cool, so thank you so much, Alex. She also got me some flowers, so I'll do like a little overlay of them, but they are so pretty as well, and they came in some fat box. So from my friend Zola, her present sort of links in with Alex's just because they're like very similar. She told me she wanted to get the Greggs ones, but obviously Alex got them, so my friends know me too well, and she got me another thing that I love. If you know me well, you will know that I'm also obsessed with Nutella. Zola got me these little Nutella earrings. These are also so freaking cute. I feel like these little presents are just so thoughtful because they're literally like, I love these. Thank you so much for those, Zola. And Zola was also so freaking cute. My friend Zola also does a lot of baking, and honestly, she's amazing at it. I remember at Christmas time, she got me like a little present, and she also made me gingerbread men. Oh my god, the gingerbread men was so peng. She made them for me and Georgia, and me and Georgia, oh my god, we were obsessed. So I've got this lovely box here. It's huge. A little tag on it. It says fragile and happy birthday. Loving the little birthday decor. Inside here, there's only 4 left. I got hungry. Zola was so sweet and baked me some chocolate cupcakes. Honestly, they taste amazing. They're like heaven, but in your mouth. There were so many in here, but like I said, got a bit hungry. I can't believe she actually took freaking time out of her day to do that for me. Thank you so much, Zola. I literally am obsessed with them, and I'm gonna finish those like in the next 5 minutes. Next, I've got a fat load of stuff. This is all from my neighbor, Saffron Sky, and their mom, Kim. They actually live next door to me, so they just came and dropped it on my doorstep, which was so lovely of them. They really didn't have to freaking do this for me. This is like a huge gift bag, but she was very creative. She actually made it into like a little kind of chest box, if that makes sense. Obviously, I've ruined that now because I opened it. Honestly, it looks so good. We love a bit of DIY. Inside here, they freaking spoiled me with everything I love. We've got a massive box of just kind of snacks that I'm obsessed with. We've got a bit of everything going on in here. They have got me sorted for lockdown. And my brother can't shout at me for eating all the mini rolls because they're mine. We've got some mini rolls, we've got chocolate fingers. You know me, you know that I only eat ready salted crisps. I don't know why, but I just don't like any other flavor. I'm plain Jane out here.
What a sad little life, Jane.
Got some Mikado sticks, love them. Ritz, I'm actually surprised that they know I love these. Got Nutella, Skittles, Tango's Hubba Bubba, Twirl Bites, milk chocolate digestives. Of course, my absolute fave, Dutch shortcakes. These are so peng. I just thought that was so sweet of them. And they also said that they ordered me peri peri salt from Nando's. Nando's is literally my fave thing ever. Thank you so much, guys. My brother better stay away from my stash. Oh, I just love everyone. Next, I'm gonna go on to what my family got me. First of all, my cousin got me 2 skirts, which I'm obsessed with. I actually really wanted these. Now I have them, I love them. These are from my cousin Katie. They're just these little pleated skater kind of skirts from Bershka. This one is kind of the plaid design, I think that's what you call it. It's just lilac, black and white. Honestly, these fit so well and they're so comfy. If you're looking for these style of skirts, I definitely recommend the Bershka ones. I've wanted this style of skirt for so long because I've seen so many people look so cute in them. So I got this little purple one and I also got this plain white one. It's also got the little Bershka logo kind of thing at the bottom. I'm just so excited to be able to wear these after lockdown, obviously. I'm literally obsessed with these. Thank you so much, Katie. They also did give me some money as well, which I'm so grateful for. My mum is the type of person who doesn't really like online shopping and she prefers to sort of go out into the shops and look. A few days ago, she said she's just gonna treat me after my birthday, like, and after lockdown and stuff, so that we can actually go out into the shops and go shopping for a day. And obviously that's definitely something to look forward to because it's just kind of a day out with my mum. I wasn't expecting her to get me anything, but she did actually get me something. She got me my favourite mascara from Maybelline, Lash Sensational. I always get questions on what mascara I use and it's always Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is the only mascara, other than some of the Benefit ones, that actually keeps my lashes up and curled all day long. I literally am obsessed with it. I used it today. The timing that she gave me this was actually perfect because I just ran out of my other one. And she also got me my favourite eyebrow tint that I use. Like the mascara, I just ran out of this as well, so I'm gassed. I finally have a new one so I don't have to fill in my eyebrows all the time. And once again, like Katie, she also gave me some money, which she really didn't need to do. Thank you so much, Mom. Also, I keep saying thank you. I'm sorry, it's probably annoying. I've got 2 more things to show you now and it's wild. I am shocked, to say the least, that I got these things. From my brother and my sister, they got me a joint present. This is the most unexpected present, definitely. Just because I've never really spoken about getting them or anything. I got AirPods. I'm part of the gang, guys. I really wasn't expecting these at all, but now that I have them, I'm so glad that I do. My friend Zara is always like raving about her. She absolutely loves them. Here they are, looking super cute. I haven't probably used them yet, but I'm so excited to use these, especially when I'm editing. I do have Beats, which I usually use when I'm editing, but I feel like these are gonna be so much easier. With my Beats charger, I always lose it, but with these, I know I won't because it's literally just like my phone charger. No more wires for me, people. Hey, guys. Thank you so much to Marie and Daniel for those. Now, last but far from least, we have got a present from my dad. I can't wrap my head around it. I'm kind of speechless about this one. This is something that I wanted and I loved. At the same time, I didn't think I was gonna get it. But I now officially own something from... The box speaks for itself. Inside here, this is what it looks like. Obviously the ribbon was wrapped around it and everything. We have a little dust bag, and inside the dust bag, I now have this gorgeous item. This is a makeup bag from Louis Vuitton. It's called the Cosmetic Pouch, and look how freaking cute it is. I feel like this will be so cute as a clutch or something. This is the inside. It's just got like a little pocket there. It's so freaking cute. Let me focus it on the zip real quick. It's just got a little LV zip and it's so cute. I am obsessed. I kind of really can't get over the fact that this is mine. Look how pretty it is. I think this is so cute and I'm so excited to be able to use this. Like I said before, super cute as a clutch, I feel like, because it's just like small, compact. You can fit like your little essentials in there. Phone, money, AirPods. I love it. I literally love it. Thank you so much, Dad. You really didn't have to do that. I can't feel. That is everything I have to show you guys. A few of my friends like Zara and Georgia, they were very sweet and they also got me some gifts, but obviously I won't be able to get those for another like 3 or 4 weeks. I wanted to get this video up, so that's why I haven't included those. I am forever grateful for everything that I've received. I was sent some lovely cards as well from some friends and family. Georgia actually sent me some flowers as well, which are back there, so I'll do a little overlay of those now. Thank you guys so much for watching. My birthday this year was just overwhelming, like the support from you guys on Instagram, like all the edits and everything, crazy. Massive thank you to you guys just for wishing me a happy birthday. Thank you to all my family and friends for my lovely gifts. Make sure you guys subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a massive thumbs up and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Peace.